Hello folks. Alright, for those of you that like to do your own oil changes and stuff in your own driveway, I just want to let you know that I find this pan here to be the best pan for draining oil. This pan is actually designed for antifreeze. Alright, because it has a little snout over here so you can pour it back into the radiator. But this works out the best for even oil changes. Alright, it's got a big round circle over there. It'll hold several quarts, that's for sure. Alright, plus it'll be easy to put it back into the container when you bring it back to like places like Autozone or the recycling center for you to drain your old oil. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I do it. The oil change is already done already, so it's very simple. We're just going to lift it up, put that little snout in here, easy peasy. Alright, and don't forget carry your little brake cleaner there, because if you get oil on this cement, oh boy, you're going to be in trouble. Alright, but that brake cleaner takes it off the cement very nicely. Alright, let's see if I can lift it up for you. Hold on. Alright, so like I said, pretty simple. I'm going to do this here one-handed for you guys, because I got this phone on here. See it? See it draining down? Going nice and easy. You don't need another funnel. You don't need another hands to do that. It's perfect. There you go. See? Perfect. This was made by Wetco. I think there's other companies that make it. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this one. And if you want, you could just hang it like this and let it drain. Make sure there's no wind that's gonna knock it down, and you'll be good. Alright. And of course, when you want to clean it, let most of it drain out. And then I spray with the brake cleaner right in there. I got a brand new can. Don't forget the rigs. Alright. That's it. Ciao.